they really love the fact that we're here. We're based in a predominantly social housing estate, and you know, we have a lot of our young teenagers come in, all the way up to adults as well, you know, just coming in, sharing the space, sharing their knowledge, and it's just, you know, a big sense of brotherhood almost, and it really brings us all together, this skate park here. Whether you're a scooter rider, a BMX rider or a skateboarder, it really doesn't matter.
You know, it's somewhere safe for kids to go. It's somewhere where they can come and learn something. Like, they can come in here, spend hours trying a trick. Like, and I've spent hours and days trying tricks before. So it's like, it's somewhere you can go, practice, and then there's people here that can give you advice. It's somewhere you can come and be off the streets. You know, so it's a positive place at the end of the day.
You know, we're all here together, and when you come in through those doors, you know, you leave whatever it is that's bothering you, and you come and join your friends. We're all friends here, and that's one thing I've learned as being at Kaset is, as soon as you walk through that door, you've always got a friend here, you know.
Here it's important we have indoor skate parks. So it's like with me, if I didn't have somewhere to go when it was raining, I'd be bored and sat at home doing nothing. I'd be out causing trouble. Because it's like when I was younger, I was that kid that was naughty and was kicked out of schools and all kind of stuff. And if I didn't skate, I wouldn't have anything else to do.
So when the kids arrive on project, and because it's a live project and it's a real building, it's a real community centre of some sort, and it's very hands-on. So with the young people that we work with, and we get them working straight away, even if they make mistakes, because we have this belief that you learn through your mistakes. And if you're going to get something wrong, you need to get it wrong, get comfortable with getting it wrong, and then you'll get it right.
As we've been open since 2006, you know, in various different forms, it's about time we had a bit of a revamp here. That's why we're doing this lovely little fun box behind us. You know, and it's always great to have fantastic partners working with us like VIY and like Dulux, you know, to really help, you know, boost us and really help get that revamp going, you know, and it really will benefit our community. You know, we've really been dying for something new over here for people to learn on and to have something different to do and come down on. So yeah, it will be really awesome to have the community come and re-engage with us, you know, after having this fantastic project done.